Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A94 5G to an Android device. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Once ready, click on Open. After that, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Finally, you can select Receive on your Android and Send on OPPO. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos category, select only one. For example, that one. Tap on Send and click on Got it. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Android, choosing Allow in the pop-up and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can always just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!